Finally, we got our hands on the latest release from Timex, the Harry Potter Collection. And I'm not gonna lie, the moment I opened this, it didn't feel like I bought a watch. It felt I unlocked a memory. Because this is not a watch. This is childhood on your wrist. And the best part, this feeling starts even before you wear the watch. Let's talk about unboxing, because here the experience doesn't start on your wrist, it starts with the box. And honestly, Timex did a decent job. You open it and you know this is not a regular weekender. There is a subtle Harry Potter vibe, nothing loud, nothing childish, just enough to make you smile. And when you lift the watch, that first look, bro, that's the moment. For a second, you're not an adult anymore. You're back, waiting for your Hogwarts letter. It's not luxurious, it's not premium, but it's emotional. And that's exactly what this watch is. Emotion. But the real magic, it's on the dial. Now look closely. At first, it feels simple, clean, minimal. But then you notice all 4 Hogwarts houses placed around the dial. Not loud, just quietly present. Almost like they are waiting to choose you. Talking about the color, the watch comes in a warm, slightly aged tone. It doesn't feel modern, it feels timeless. And then one tiny detail that changes everything. The second hand. Honestly, my favorite part. It's not just a hand, it's a sorting head, moving slowly around the dial. It's like it's still deciding where you belong. Gryffindor! And every time you check the time, you notice it. Again, it never gets old. And just when you think that's it, there comes another detail. The strap. Simple brown leather, classic Timex, but with a small detail. Subtle embossing of sorting head. Nothing loud, nothing forced, and that's why this works. Because this watch doesn't try too hard. It just lets you discover it. But okay, emotions aside, is it watch actually a good one? The watch comes in a 38mm case, which is perfect for most of the wrist. Not too big, not trying too hard, just clean. Watch has a slim profile of around 9mm, which sits comfortably on the wrist. You'll forget that it's even there. Inside comes a quartz moment. No drama, no maintenance, just wear it and forget. Watch comes with a 30-meter water resistance, which is perfect for daily life. For swimming, it's a big no. And then the Indiglo. In the dark, you press the crown and the dial glows. Not regular green, it glows in a Gryffindor red. In that moment, it doesn't feel like a feature. It feels like a spell. Now the practical part. Where do you get it and how much will it cost? This watch is priced around 12,495 rupees in India. And it's not just one model. There is a whole collection: Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff, all in a similar range. Talking about availability, since this is a limited collab, at many places this watch is already out of stock. So if you like it, don't overthink it, because these are the watches you plan to buy later and then never find again. You can check official Timex India site, authorized retails, and online watch stores for the same. And honestly, at this price, you're not just buying a watch. You are buying a feeling. So finally, is it worth it? If you're looking for specs, better options exist at a much more affordable price. But if this watch makes you feel something, if this makes you smile, then yes, it's worth it. Because at the end of the day, you're not wearing a watch. You are wearing a story. And if that story still makes you feel something every time you check the time, that's what matters. If you believe watches are more than just specs, follow WatchSutra, because here we don't just talk about watches, we talk about time itself.